Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mariela, and for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my minimalist wallet. I want to make a disclaimer that I am not a minimalist. I don't consider myself a minimalist, but I do like to live a simple life and try to keep things as minimal as possible, whether it's just my life in general, my purse, my wallet. So I wanted to share with you guys today what my wallet looks like. Speaking of living a simple and minimal life, I just uploaded a video on how to live a simple life. So if you're interested in that, please click on the video right here. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is my wallet. It is a Wrestlet Michael Kors wallet. I don't remember what the exact style is called, but if I figure it out, I will link it down in the description bar below. I've had this wallet for many years now. I used to work at Macy's, and I got this when I used to work in the handbag department. So I've been using this wallet ever since. I absolutely love it. It's the perfect size, and I really don't need anything else much bigger than this. So I love this. I love that it's leather. It has this where I can just stick my hand through here. And yeah, I think it's in pretty good condition still, except for right here, the zipper part kind of fell off, so that's gone. And then right here, it's a little bit rough, but it still works. It's still in pretty decent condition. So when you open it up, this is what the inside looks like. Right here, I have my driver's license, which I covered up for obvious reasons. Up here, this is my debit card. And then right here, I have this like rewards program where I can get a free wash after a certain number of car washes that I get with them. So I keep that, so whenever I have whenever I need a car wash, I have that ready to go. And then right here I have my credit card. Up here I have a Costco membership. And then here I have a Target card. And then right here I have my Starbucks Gold card, which I probably actually don't really need in my wallet because I do have the Starbucks app. But yeah, I like to keep it in my wallet because it's pretty, and yeah, I like it. So right here is a pretty big open space, and I'm not really sure what this is used for, but what I like to use for is I can slide in my phone. So whenever I try to go out, and I always bring this wallet with me and my phone, and I love that I can just stick my phone in here. I usually take the phone case out because it's a little bit too much with the case on, but when I take the case off, I can just close this, and that way if I'm going out and I don't feel like carrying a purse, I have my wallet and my phone in here with me together. So that's what I use that space for, and I have the iPhone 6s, so it fits perfectly in here. And then in here, oh, you can see it's kind of torn right here, but in here I like to keep cash. That's all I really use this space for. I keep cash in here. I always like to carry around cash because you never know when you need it or when you can't use your cards. So I have that. And then here on the back, in my coin purse, I like to keep some extra spare change in here. I don't have very much, but that's what I use that for. So that's pretty much it. That's my wallet. I've had this wallet, like I said, for years, and I don't know if I want to get another one soon because I love this one so much, but maybe I'll try to find a newer one. Before I used to use this wallet, I actually used to use this one, and as you can tell, it's significantly bigger than that. So when I started to practice a little bit of minimalism and trying to downsize and declutter, I went from having this, oh, you can see my reflection. Hi. Yeah, so before I had this wallet, I was using this one, and it's obviously a lot bigger and bulkier. And what the problem with this wallet is that I used to just stuff a lot of stuff in there, like receipts and everything, and downsizing to this smaller one really has helped me just keep things minimal. Also, my purse is not, you know, doesn't have this giant wallet and taking up a lot of space, so this is perfect for my purse and everything. So I definitely love that. Also, as you might have noticed, I don't keep receipts in here. I actually don't really keep receipts at all. I don't know if that's a bad thing or not, but I don't like to keep receipts, and if I do keep them, I usually have them for about a day, and then I clean out my purse or wallet at the end of the day and toss them out. And if you're like into budgeting and you like to keep track of your expenses, what I do is track that on a spreadsheet, so I don't have tons of receipts lying around. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you want me to do a what's in my purse video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you have a wallet like similar to mine where you like to keep things minimal and what your thoughts are. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video.